Ah, busy day. Busy day. Haggard day. So tell me where the woods are, 'cause it's breaking. Don't wanna let her go. Baby, my love broken down. Something only. Oh, Sir Don! Hi po, how is your morning going? Fine po. Busy, so busy. How are you, Sir Don? Hey, Cheryl, Mantra Khalil. Good morning. Thank you. Have a nice day. How you doing, guys? So, tell me where do I start? Mabuti. Ah, you know how to speak Tagalog, Sir Don. Speak well. Speak well. Oh, Fred! Sir Fred! I don't live again. Boring. Busy. After lunch, I'm going to walking with a mud. My God. Yes, I'm trying to learn. Yes, that's good. That's good po, Sir Don. My D was buang. Oh my God. You're not, Daddy is not buang. You maybe is buang. Henry Kushers, just stop for a times. Yes, thank you so much, Rick. So tell me where do I start? 'Cause thank you, Sir Fred. Hi, Fred. Sir Fred. Drive in. Mantra Khalil. Hi po. Hello. Ah. Ah. Oh. 7 people in the house. 7 people. There is some truth that what you said. Yes. The D is not a buang. Maybe it's you a buang. Okay. My God.
Nag-i-kagila? Nagwiwi ka na? Ano ka dito? Ano ka? Oh! Nagdadahig pa sir, nagdalakaw. Walok yan doon.
Sir Donnie. Sir Donnie, you are very, thank you. Really, I'm beautiful. Hey Donnie, how are you? Yeah, I'm Buang. From Australia, Steven Sarmansky from Australia. Thank you po. Oh my God. Hello Don Juan from Sir Fred. Fabio Diaz. Victor Chavez. Hi, Victor. Hey, from Sir Donnie. Come sweet my house, Cheryl. Yes po. $100 a day, Sir Fred.
Wala kaya, Yaya. Baba pa kita, Yaya.
Sana'y mapansin mo puso ko sa wala sa biro. $100 a day, Sir Fred. Everyone like and subscribe. No problem. 100 Cheryl. I will get from. Oh my God. My God. Ah. Ah. My God. Bakit hindi na lang tutuhanan ang kailangan ko'y pag-ingat? He going to be poor before he meets you. My God. No problem to be poor. Magandang umaga. What? Sign love. Alright guys, to this beautiful lady. Stop lurking. Stop lurking. Stop lurking. Stop lurking. No, it's fine. It's lurking. Stop lurking. But be sure. You have to be sure that my God, someone lurking me. Biglon. Sabi bakit di Hello again, Beg. Hi, Sir Beg. Magandang umaga, guwapa. Good morning to Biglon. May gulay. Fred from Beg Long. What are you doing, Beg Long? Bakit di na lang tutuhan ang lahat? Hi, Sir David. Thank you, Sir David. Golden Eagle. Golden Eagle. Thank you po. Bakit di na lang tutuhan ng lahat ang kailangan? Thank you po. 17 people. My God. gulay. 15 people in the house. Why did David Archela. Behola, buenas noches, mi amor. Nerin Judan. Keeping things clean. We'll cook some lunch an hour from now on. Yes, but good morning po. Hi, Winfrido Wagner. Hi. Good morning.
Ate! Kamusta ka si Bibe? Ate, kamusta ka si Bibe? Ate! Ate Dila! Ate Dila! Mama Dila! Mama Dila!
Ah, yes. Good morning.
Alam mo, kinibulan ko. Alam.
So,
Wala ba dito? Ako lang na nagagawa. Dali ba wala? Sabi ka na na dito mo. Tita Gila!
don't wanna let her go. My God.
Gila! Gila!
Mm-mm. Wala na, wala masabi. Desisete. La. My God. Aray ko. So, tell me wait. Let's start. Alright. So, it's breaking my... Oh, thank you sa nag-likes. Thank you to those who hit the likes. Thank you so much. Cause maybe my love will come. Oh, 31 people. Hi po. May gulay. Thank you sa nagla-like. Thank you to those someone who's sending the heart. Ay, may ugat. May gulay. May gulay. Love ko to. Di Funko. 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 Hi. Lucas Paz. Hi Lucas Paz. Paz. Thank you po. Little girl. My God. Halan.
Ay. Hindi lang.
Bet, matagos kita. Yes. Continuay ka dito sa ate, Tay. Wala ka dumay mo. Wala mo.
Patay tayo din.
Wala ka siya. Para ka di magtaas.
Uy, paano? Dali sa... Dali na ako dito na sa plastic. Paano mo na sa plastic? Dali. Dali. Wala, good. Wala, dali. Dali.
I don't understand what is this Russian language. So, can you translate in English po or Tagalog? Please. Yeah. San at Pukubusan. Pukubusan. Hello, good morning, Francisco. How are you? Greetings from Chile, Latin America. Hi, from Chile, Latin America. Francisco Espinoza Vera. Thank you, Sir Fred. San Boching. Ano yan? Victor Chavez, hello. He wanted to see your... Ah, oh my God. Yeah! May gulay. Ew. Oh my God. Haha.
Kita.
Tak manis ini teh. Ani muna. Lali na. Ibe. Wag mo na kung panalo mo.
Sir Fred. No. Glad I translator, yes. Good job po.
Kaputa lang ako. Kaputa lang.
Oh my God.
Tay, taas, taas, taas.
Dali yan.
Ooh, ooh,
Aircraft na lang eh. Muna sa aircraft.
Sir Jamie Jimex. Hi Jimex.
Ang mapapay. Sabaw ka.
Hello everyone. Hi everyone.
Ate?
Kay Mikael.
Kasi ba pa isang isda na prinita?
Galing na kain pwede.
Pero pwede.
Kay galunggong. Ano ba ang sudan?
Gusto nga isda.
Aray.
Inahanap nga siya ng kwarta, mabakal ko na siya asin isda.
Ah.
Sabi kanina, sabi man natin sila, wala dumari ito kamben.
Ah.
Tapos sabi niya, mabakal, sabi natin sila, pag may nagtinda, mabakal kita isda.
Wala man paano kanina isda na ano?
Wala saan pwede ha? Ano daw? Di na. Prito ba yan to?
Ano daw?
Maski di lang ada.
Maski di na lang ada. At least I don't think she bites. Say hello to Cheryl. Thank you po, Sir Pat. Don't be shy. She don't bite. Oh my God. At least I don't think she bites. Si Bellissima Angelo Monasi. Si Bellissima Mansur Singon. Mansur Singon. Hi, 13 billion people here. 21 likes. Thank you so much. Madami yun bas. Madami basyo.
Hi! Ay, nagliwang ka naman ba ah?
Si Olive Miho. Thank you po, Sir Fred.
Ano yun? Nasilpon. Ano na to? Wala kita. Sige. Wala. Go. Go. Dito daw. Baby. Ganda ba? Ganda. Oh, bless. Go.
people don't know what respect means. Yeah, maybe a lack of good manners and right conduct. Rosario hypes. Everyone is here, not on your phone. Oh my God. Sorry. Sorry po. Busy. Many messages that I just read now. Oh my God. You know what? The messages can't read. Not read. A lot. All of them is no, group chats. May gulay. My God. Gulay. I'm attending the Zoom. 10 online.
Mama!
FW Lotang Pinoy supporting here. Thank you so much for FW Lotang Pinoy. Thank you po. Hi Ross. Thank you. I don't do any group chats. I have a group chat because of part of job and batchmates, friends, Zumba, about no, job here. Venice, voluntary community service here. Lots of them. Jesus is coming soon. Really? Only Jesus saves. I know. Joseph Touch. Hi, rich man. Wow, rich man. Wow, rich man. Really? Are you a rich man?
Hello, ayan. Nandyan pa po ba kayo? Sige nga, pa-heart react ulit. Okay. Haba-haba pa po yung natitira natin sessions, pero I'll try na tapusin before 11:40. Ayan, so please bear with me. Ayan. May mga nag-share dito ng kanilang thoughts, no?
Don't tell her what to wear.
On why we have
Thank you
to take
po.
care of
Hello from
others' health.
Greece. Minasaki Laki.
Para maibigay ang pangangailangan ng pamilya.
I'm watching the Zoom because need to watch this. Important the attendance is a must. Richman goes on every channel and says that, but I've never seen him as give a super chat. The rich man. Maybe the opposites of rich man.
So we go to 3 points.
Of course, not big.
Okay, so sana po yung mga sa Facebook, nandiyan pa kayo. Heart react na lang din po, no, para makita ko. Nandyan pa kayo, ayan. Sige. The next discussion would be on the role of tatays.
I don't do super chats, I do people.
So, ito po yung ating pag-uusapan sa session na to. How to provide support to the pregnant nanay, role of tatay during pregnancy, and is it safe to have sex during pregnancy? And
Yeah,
then the second
people
session
is
would be
it
on
helps
providing
because
support
no less
to the unborn
like super chat, less I think have a not
So the
whole
objectives of
receive
this
have a no.
activity is to is for the participants to be able to describe the important role of tatay during
Ano ba yun ang
pregnancy,
tawag doon?
identify different ways to provide support
Tax
to pregnant
from
nanay.
YouTube.
So, masaya tong
My
activity
God.
na to na mas magkakaroon tayo ng role playing. So, ito po
YouTube
yung
takes too much. Yes, takes
Then, we will be having a lecture discussion and a
takes
game
too
called
much. 30% I think.
So, ito po yung mga materials. Yan. Pwedeng ipadala po ito sa mga tatay. Dala sila ng post to simulate a pregnant woman. So, pwedeng use dress, pillow, para lumaki yung chan, Harper bandana, and then yung iba, ipoprovide na lang.
25 likes. Thanks a lot. 30% and then taxes. Yes. That's why lots. Dapat
So,
mga
for activity 1, role of tatay during pregnancy. So, kakaroon tayo ng role playing. Ayan. So, merong participants na mag-volunteer as husband or wife or partner. Ayan. So, for scenarios 1 and 3, kailangan lang natin ng dalawang volunteers or scenario po tatlo. Ayan, kaya siya, medyo fun siya na activity, no? So for scenario 1, si wife or partner ay 3 months pregnant. Masama ang kanyang pakiramdam. Nahihilo siya, nasusuka. So therefore, siya si Sister Nika. So minsan tumigising siya sa gabi at naghahanap ng green na mangga. Ayan, napaka-specific.
Pedro. Hello,
She
Pedro.
often complains of being tired and lazy and easily the sister temper. So as a husband, what would you do to support your wife or partner? So that's for scenario 1. For scenario 2, the wife or partner ay 4 months pregnant and will have her first prenatal checkup. The husband who took a leave of absence from work will accompany his wife or partner to the health center. So sa health center, the helper will give them and praise the husband for accompanying his wife or partner. Ayan. So during the process, the helper will examine the wife or partner and will give a copy of the mother and child. Sa ibang abuse or sa ibang paradise na tawag nila, mother and baby book. Ayan. The helper will show the section on the birth plan and advise the couple to fill it out. So habang pinifill out ng couple yung mother-child food, meron tayong Manila paper kung saan
Pedro, what do you mean, Pedro?
Then the participants
What it means?
would observe kung sabi pag-fill out ng mga sections na yun.
Wendy
As
up
per scenario.
here, nice
And
and
lastly,
cool.
for
Ah,
the
Wendy
third
there?
time,
Here,
the
no.
wife or partner is on her 7th month of
Let's call
pregnancy.
this
So, Sabado.
calm
and
weather
ang kanyang
here.
asawa ay
Calm.
nagtatay. So, the husband shall demonstrate
Not
ano yung mga pwede niyang gawin to
Not
support
really.
his pregnant wife or partner. So, yun naman yung obserbahan ng mga natitirang partners sa amin. Okay, so after magplano for the scenario, and then after the role play, kailangan isulat ng mga participants ng kanilang observations during the role play. And then, summarize ng facilitator ano yung mga sinulat ng mga observer at as an introduction to the discussion, what would you have done to support your wife or partner during pregnancy? So, itatanong sa mga participants. So, let's go to the key points. Ayan. So, for this session, ito yung mga i-emphasize nating support na pwedeng gawin ng
wife
mga
is coming today, not tomorrow. Your wife, Sir Fred. Wow. Ah, yes, because today is Friday.
health center, sa hospital, kapag magpapacheck up ang kanila.
Say hi to your wife, Sir Fred. Beautiful wife.
Fill it out together. Shared yung decision sa pag-uun ng birth plan. No? For example, saan ba gusto mga anak ni nanay? No? Dapat, alam yun ni tatay. At dapat, napag-desisyon na yun kasama si tatay.
Usually, she comes Saturday. Ah, okay. Maybe advance.
Madalas mag-check up, diba? Ayan. So, maraming details.
Your wife, Sir Fred, going home weekly? Weekly ba? Ah, naharap ako. Ayaw na mag-skin di. Magkaon ang naluto. Mamaya na pakakaon.
Malayo yung hospital.
Magkaon yun.
No? Sino ang mandadala kay nanay sa hospital? Mga ganun bagay. So, dapat, pinag-uusapan niya.
Nagkaon ka na. Quiet to na pitakan.
Mag-asawa. Advise wife or partner on proper diet. Ayan, syempre, hindi lang dapat nanggagaling kay nanay na ito dapat yung kainin natin.
She will back to
Tatay
Dipolog
active
on
din
Tuesday.
na nagre-remind sa kanyang pamilya.
Quiet to tabi na dito.
Regarding proper
Ang cellphone.
diet. Encourage wife or partner to maintain positive attitude and remain
Wala doon.
Ayan.
Ito dito.
Kakaroon tayo ng positive attitude.
Ito sa kinuhaan mo.
If talagang may support, moral
Wala.
support,
Ay, na daw.
may encouragement.
Ay, kinuha na ni Gab.
Asawa.
Ah,
Pwede
okay.
tayo mag-back massage. Gentle back massage at
Pedro Rivera. Hi, Pedro.
pregnant na asawa or partner to soothe her and help her get enough. Ayan. avoid conflict. And
Thank you so
confrontation
much,
as
people in the
possible.
house. Thank you
And
po.
most especially, huwag mananakit. Okay? Physically, verbally, huwag mananakit.
Pedro English. Pedro English. My God. English Pedro. So tell me where you would start.
Ika ati? Wala dito ka ati. Ala, kuya tanjo.
Ay, magsabi ka na lang kung tapos ka naman ito, ha?
Hindi wag kami na.
Magsabi ka na lang sa amo.
Ay, wala na.
You mean you're going to pee when she smiles? No, I'm not saying that. My God. I'm rich. Okay, I'm bought.
Pagtapos ka na yan ang pamunas mo, ha?
You mean no,
Reminder to take iron folic acid supplement.
George going to start charging you.
What they call micronutrients supplement.
What's the topic of interest or discussion this morning? I'm watching about idol ko si Tatay.
Kailangan lang natin i-emphasize during this session
Zoom meeting, like a Zoom meeting. I attend the Zoom meeting
different from how it was before.
related to work.
Kailangan ng konting adjustment, konting
So, the father is have a responsible and big contribute for pregnancy woman.
nakikita na siyang pain or nagiging uncomfortable sa mga bagay.
Hi, what country are you from? I'm from Philippines. I'm from Philippines.
Regarding sexual being pregnant. So please understand, try to put your partner's needs first and think about how he is feeling. So ask your partner, ask your wife.
What time you have to go? So much, Cheryl. What time you go? What time you have to go through mud? After lunch, maybe 2 p.m.
It might help to discuss any sexual frustration with your partner.
Yes, maybe 2 p.m.
Sabi na nila mga lalaki, hindi naman daw safe when expressing, especially when we discuss the reproductive health and sexual education.
Really, which part of the Philippines are you? I've been there last year. Bicol Province, Philippines. I live here in Bicol Province, Philippines po.
Be patient. Masabi kasi your partner can be frustrating.
Mimet, good morning. Hey, Mimet.
Again, depending on the climate of pregnancy,
Mauna yung papay. Mauna yun na madam mo.
maaaring hindi maging maayos.
Nagano ka man ng
Magkakaroon
tissue.
ng sex when you're
Mauna yan.
pregnant, and that's perfectly fine. Kasi, again, sa una natin sinabi, we try to put the partner's needs first and think about how she's feeling. So there might be some problems. For example, ang ulo sa karoon ng needs, better consult a health center first. If ito ay na-experience. Okay, now we can
I'm fine, Mimet. How about you? How old are you? How are you? I'm fine, don't worry, Mimet. I'm fine.
Mauna yun. O kaya ako, mayroon. Duwa pa yun. Mayroon pa dito. Mauna yun. Sige na. Tapos ka na? Wait lang kuya. Kaya nagudo si Papay.
Sir Ronel, Sir Ronel,
Identify what makes
Sir Ronel, where you
habang
from?
nasa sinapupunan, and enumerate ways to develop attachment with the tatay and the unborn baby. So,
Thank you very much.
methods,
Thank you very much.
materials, and the estimated times and hours. So, yun ang very basic. Yun yung item na
Okay. I just passed by there when I was in Burias, San Palawan. Burias and Palawan. Do you know those places, Burias and Palawan? I know Palawan, but Burias, I don't know about Burias. I know Palawan. But I never been there because of, can't afford. I also work in Libya and I will be going to Turkey in a month. Okay, good luck, Mimet. Sir Anel, thank you so much, Sir Anel, for joining here again. Thank you po. Tell me whether it's time, 'cause it's breaking my heart to maybe my love will come back someday. Israel Ibarra, hola hermosa, saludos, saludos this day. Monterrey, Mexico, Bisu, Didi, Elise, James, hello beautiful from Denver, Colorado, USA. Nano na naman daw ang nano sa di problema. Magaon nyo na dito. Oh, kiss mo muna ako. Come on. Come on, say hi. Sumagayon, umagayon. Say hi. Oh, ang bango. Yes. Ano naman? Oh, say hi. Say hi po. Hello po, Sir Ranel. Hello po. Ayay. Dali na, dali. Hana? Ay, nako, kadaghan man son. 10 lang. 10 yan na. Sure, this girl loves you. Yeah, she loves me. Sir Mehmet. Doc! Hi, Doc. Don't wanna let her go. Watching for Zoom meeting.
Ito po ay may load So, ito po yung ating mga materials. Of course, kailangan ulit natin ng post-proof para sa mga tatay na early as pregnant women. Again. And ang oras ay 1 hour. So, our objectives for this session is describe the role of tatay during and after delivery and demonstrate ways to provide support to a breastfeeding tatay. So, for the first activity, which is about care during labor and after delivery. Ayan. So, tanongin mo na natin kung sino yung mga participants na may anak na. Ayan. And we ask of their experience during the
He came to collect the money. Oh my god. Huh?
Paano nila sinuporta pa nila?
It is safe to be on your channel.
For the sharing sample, may provided
What do you call it, Sir Doc? What do you mean safe?
Ako pa sa kanya nga.
What do you mean?
Sayang ako.
pwede ko yung mag-road stay. Ayan. So, pwede kayo mag-road stay na may mga anak. And may volunteer na tatay na magpupun pa rin na mag-support siya dun sa
No drama.
road stay na nanay.
No drama.
So, di na naging point for
No drama. No drama.
napakaganda
This happened this last night. That happened last night. I just explain and what happened. No drama. No more drama. No need to hide about the past. That's why, Sir Doc, for the past experience, no need to hide about my past for a new life here now because it gives bad conflict. Because sooner or later, the present they recognize about the past. So I will I'm looking forward for the positives and no more uh um, making a problem in the future. That's why I they need to know the about my other side, my bad sides, because people love me because they see my good sides. So I need to need to know the people that my bad sides, because they are, if even they don't like me or not, because I'm not a perfect one. That's it. Having a bad or relationship or bad experience before, sometimes it will affect soon if hiding. That's why it learn a lot for the past experience. No more drama. No more drama. It's like a bit emotional because for kung too fast decision in life, it gives you getting you worse. That's the result. Oh my god, I really hard to explain because I'm not fluent in English though. My god. Oh my god. Di ka mo bibi. Bawal din ang bata bibi. Hi, Sir Pat.
Pipap.
Pipap. Pipap? Ano ka ng pipap? Ng pipap? Pipap. Pipap. Hola, como estás? Santa Rosa Lima, amiga Colombia. Hello. Ang haba. To look at the future, not the past. Yeah. But need to, the past is the part for in life, our life. That's why they need to I don't know how to I don't know how to explain, but no. Na naman. Yes, look at the future, not the past. Yes po, Doc. Yes, Doc. Thank you, Hafita. Hafita TZ. Hafita TZ. I never told you. You are right, Cheryl. We understand. Thank you, Sir Ranel. Thank you po. We good to see you, Cheryl. Where's brother Mike at? Maybe Mike, he's still sleeping. Because of different time here and there. Yeah, different times. So maybe he'll rest, sleeping. Thank you po. Thank you, Sir Ranel. Ayan Chang. Hi, Ayan Chang. Kapita.
Hindi na-explain kung anong pinagkaiba ng dalawang team. Mostly, ano lang to more on the first team is more on the quick attachment, latch, drain pressure. While yung pangalawa ay core, no? So, ito yung mga kailangan natin i-emphasize during the session. Kahapon, ito yung minor na nag-meeting sa ito. Ayan. Then, sakaling problem.
Thank you for the likes, my God. 40 likes na.
Important yung people ni nanay, namamaga yung breast ng nanay, o kaya naman yung mga stress na na-experience ni nanay mo. Let the participant describe itong mga experience nito ay nakaka-stimulate ba ng flow or nakaka-PPS. Ayan. So, talagang itanong ko for them to legalize na yung mga ganito experience nila focus sa challenge na pagpapasok sa tama.
Nag-surrender.
Okay. Next, we ask yung volunteer tatay. Ano nila susuportahan yung mga nanay na nagpapasuso? Then yung mga possible answers. And then we go to key points for discussion. So, ito yung mga natin i-emphasize dito yung mga types of support na pwedeng ibigay. For example, doing household chores, encouraging breastfeeding,
Marco Robert. Hi, Marco Robert.
make sure you and the baby are comfortable while breastfeeding, make sure drinks water while breastfeeding. So, ano yung mga pwedeng gawin ni tatay for the baby mismo? Ayan. So, pwedeng after yung magpasusunod natin, siya yung magpapaburp, pwede siya yung magpapatulog, o kaya naman magpapaligo or massage sa bata. Skin-to-skin contact. So later, mamaya may picture tayo. Paano na baby and communicate with the baby? Then if may other questions, pwede yung i-discuss sa susunod na activity. Summarize the session and remind the participants to take a So I'll skip this note since na-discuss naman na natin yung mga messages na gusto natin i-emphasize sa key points for discussion. Basta ang gusto natin malaman ng mga tatay that during the breastfeeding sessions, may role
I'll be back later. Thank you po, Sir Pat. Take your time po. Haba lunchtime here
Next
now.
is hunger care and health.
11:30
So what happens kapag premature ang isang bata, isa sa mga ginagawa ay ang hunger care. Ayan. So hindi lang si nanay ang nag-hunger care, pati si tatay for the So why do we do hunger care? This is a practice of putting the life of your baby on bare chest with a blanket draped over the baby's back. So nakalagay yung bata diretso sa katawan ni nanay or si tatay. So skin-to-skin contact.
Azikhan. Hi, Azikhan. Where are you now? I'm here in Bicol.
So, hindi naman delikado ang pagkakagawa ng hunger care as long as magawa ito na tama. The baby don't respond kapag sasagawa ng ambient care na tututunan ng bata yung amoy ng kanyang tatay, yung rhythm ng kanyang pananalita, tsaka breathing, and yung init
Okay, I'm
ng
from
katawan ni
Singapore.
tatay,
Nice to meet you,
napapasok
Azikam
sa
from
bata.
Singapore. Thank you for joining here, my live stream.
So, it builds his confidence and reduces his stress. Kasi siya na mismo yung nagpo-provide ng intimate care sa kanyang anak. Ayan. Next, after ambient care, we discuss cup feeding, no? Paano kung hindi
Yes, nice to know you too. Thank you pa.
So,
Azikam. Thank you to those with the likes. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, 10 million. 10 million.
Ito po yung steps na pagsasagawa ng cup feeding. Pero, not it anymore kasi I think na discuss yung mga
Never
So, bakit mahalaga
told
pag-express ng gatas?
you.
Nung una nga kapag
Privado.
nanay, at makakasubo
Hope we
ka na
can
kahit wala siya sa
be
bahay,
distance friend, yes.
kapag,
We can friends
makainom
po.
ka rin siya ng breastfeed. Mahalaga ang express milk kasi
Luciano,
ito
what
ang
are you
nagbibigay
doing?
ng mga low birth weight
Luciano Fraga.
ng mga sick babies na
Washington
napapasok.
Salvahay from
At
Brazil.
para nandun yung supply ng breast milk ni nanay kahit siya ay may sakit or si baby. Ayan. Iniiwasan din natin na magkaroon ng lipong confusion.
My
kapag
God,
gumagamit
Luciano.
tayo ng baby bottle, mas matigas yung tupon nun kung ikukumpara sa suso ni nanay.
Hope can be distance friend. Yes po, Azikam. No worries.
Paggamit ng baby
We're
bottle,
friends.
hirap nang bumalik sa pagkasuso. So, we need to reach, especially yung working mothers na pagka-cup feeding, no, instead of using baby bottle sa paggamit mo at express breastfeed. Ayan. And then help with breastfeeding bottle.
Thanks. Welcome po. Washington Salva.
Breastfeed nanay at express breastfeed naman. Pwede yung
The
ibigay.
lunchtime. Lunchtime. Hi, Sir Tyler. Hello po.
So, all conditions
Watching
are
from
public
Zoom
record.
meeting.
Ibigay na ang barangay health workers, barangay nutrition owners, at barangay health officials. Breast milk can be stored about 8 hours or 24 hours na regulation or ensure lang So, covering the session, may asking participant what they learn, how do they feel, and confident that from the tangle care and community. So, hopefully, next time sila naman yung makita natin sa picture with the present people. Okay, ang gift is, no? And then involvement sa implementation. So, at the end of the year, the participants will be able to describe the importance and characteristics of implementing any ating method, material, and all. Ang mahalaga dito, i-realize natin sa mga tatay na mahalaga na complementary feeding at rising bata and mahalaga yung mga complementary food na ibibigay natin follows the principles of complementary. Ayan. Guys, mga nakaraang activities is more on the group training. What do you understand by complementary feeding? And do you think that the right introduce foods to babies in little breast? So the co-facilitator writes on participant responses and the discussion is being implemented by the key points for discussion.
Thank you so much for watching. So,
Ang kailangan mo kung malaman dito ay yung apat na characteristics or principles ng complementary food, which is timely, adequate, properly fed, and again. I think na-discuss naman ito. Okay, for activity 2, which is introducing complementary foods. Dito, we will be grouping again the participants, and meron tayong review sa photos ng food items. Itong food items na to should be grouped according to the following categories. Ano dito yung carbohydrate, protein rich, leafy vegetables, and oils. Allow each to complete the exercise in 5 minutes. No? So ito yung magiging sura ng table na pagkagaling
Linda, hi po. I'm going to live tonight at my time share, so maybe see you there. Yes po, Tyler. I will try to join po. I will try to join po. But maybe later I'm busy. I will be busy. But I will try. Ti amo.
kailangan natin magbigay ng tama at akmang complementary foods. Mula sa lima, mula sa wala. So, kanina nabanggit ko na mabaga yung diet diversity for hindi mo magkakaroon ng diet ng mga bata for 20 national daily survey is because maraming bata ang hindi nakaka-satisfy ng sila na higit pa input groups. Madalas na makikita lang natin na pinapakain ng bata ay ulan, kaya lugaw on base, kaya naman
Alaguran.
na gulay. Kailangan natin na pwede ng protein, may ating fish, ating chicken, ating eggs. So, pinupuyo ng bata, wala kang malaging adverse effects yan sa bata. Of course, whenever you introduce new foods sa bata, kailangan yan ibigay family egg para protection na rin ang allergic sa bata. Lastly, preparing complementary foods for teachers. So, at the end of this session, the participants will be able to demonstrate how to prepare complementary foods, describe the importance of proper hygiene in preparing complementary foods. Paano tayo with their demonstrations dito?
I'm doing live. I'm watching I'm watching live too. My God.
Pero medyo nagastos yun. And yung ibang messages ko, nakapasok na rin kasi sa alam namin yung ako kasi alam si tatay. So, mas ang focus is na mga orientation. Lately ay yung idol training. So, makikita nyo meron tayong puti. Parang ganito din yung ginagawa participatory cooking demonstration. So, ito yung oras na kakailanganin 1 in 1 hour. So, before the cooking, at the participants kung may experience na sila sa pagluluto ng pagkain para kay Dave. Okay? For those na may experience na requested to demonstrate different methods on how to prepare complete foods.
Oh,
For
thank
those
you
na
so
wala
much for the likes and nag-likes. Thank you sa
So, request other
nag-likes.
participants to also demonstrate
Oh my God, nagulat!
methods. So, ito yung mga methods.
At yung baga, laba ni mga body may on. Hindi.
Ano ka doon?
Nababigyan mo, kukuha mo. At yung bago lang.
Sino na naman sa nag-ano? Kamu, Sir Daan. Nakahanap ako sa bagol gam dito ha.
Magkaranta ka mo sa bubble yan kay patulong ko sa iyo yun. Sige niyang karang sa higdaan. Ang tapa mo, wala. Ang tapa mo.
Time check is 11:49. Sige, meaning that bonding time. So each of the activity by giving each participant a bonding time. So ask the participant to watch and observe carefully the two scenarios na pinigami. So after each scenario, ask them to rate the multiple that best represent their reaction to what they want. Ayan. So yun yung ating mga scenarios. The next after the participants for the active participation is really their responses to the following questions. Pwede po na share sa inyo yung concept na responsive meaning or active listening. Ang halaga dapat tandaan natin dito is we pay attention to children when they eat and praise them. Talaga aya-aya yung kanilang pagkain. If they refuse the food, take it away and offer evening. Ang halaga dito ay hindi natin pinipilit ang bata na kumain or ipaubos yung ating inihandang pagkain. Tapos, mas tayo, mas alert, mas attentive, mas kilig tayo sa pagkain, napakasin. So, meron kasi mga feelings yung mga bata. Pwede kasi kapag na namin ayaw na nila ng pagkain, kaunti-unti na natin yung pagbibigay ng pagkain. Ayan, so, in that way, naging responsive tayo. Kapag tumingin natin ano pa hindi ng bata, pero we can try na isunan kasi balikan din. We don't force things they were heard as being responsive then. And then, we become not responsive kapag hindi natin pinapansin yung signal ng bata. For example, ayaw na kumain, and then we can force natin yung pagkain sa bibigyan. Ito, and then the child, hindi kita makakainin na kaya, hindi mo rin, makaluin din na. Not sensitive to child preferences. Ayaw naman ng bata, and then we need it, So, that becomes not responsive. And dapat ito, ano po mga tatay? Minsan, kapag nakikita ng mga tatay na hindi makain yung mga anak nila, isip nila na, ay inisan, ay maarte. Hindi inisan. Always try to pull in sa bata. So, ito yung mga signs na dapat nating tandaan para mas kapinan din na
Mayo, nawala. Maraklat na.
ng isang sampol or bata. Ano yung mga tips natin para maging learning time o feeding time? So, give them for opportunities to tell the child good about her and what he or she is able to do. The time spent with the child at meal times can also be used to tell him further concepts. For example, makulay yung kanyang plato. Ang kulay ng marlon ay orange, ang kulay ng kalabasa ay yellow. So, it can be automatic meaning ng concept. Use meal times to name utensils, food and waters, some things that are smaller, some things kaya tumabasa ko ng name. And then the child not immediately food and big stuff. So, after the
the real wreck. Hi, Bob. Beautiful. Thank you. I'm the real wreck. The real wreck. What happened? Star Omar. Hi, Star. Thank you for the likes po. Thank you to those hit the likes. Never told you. Sunny. My God. Then suddenly Sunny. Like and subs. Thank you, Sir Fred. Like and sub. Tell me whether it's time, 'cause it's breaking my heart.
At the participants, the writers, answers, submit a hard activity. After each presentation, answers, give comments, and then summarize the main points that is the following.
Yes.
Ang common illnesses po na nakikita natin sa mga bata ay matawag na diphtheria, measles, saka pocket flu. Usually, ito po ay naiiwasan kapag eksklusibong pagpapasuso, hindi sa first month of life. Meron bakuna sa mga bata, magbibigay ng vitamin E supplement mula sa
Some reason my internet not working. Hi, why? Why not working?
Mahalaga na ang mga tatay at sila yung early sensitive o mga common illnesses para nila magbigay ng home care. And then, every time mag-activity, alam mo, hindi lang trabaho ni nanay ang pag-aalaga. Tapos din niya yung tatay. Kaya magpalitan, pag-aalaga, kaya naman ay supportahan si nanay ko siya ay nagtatanungan, si tatay mo na.
Wait lang.
So, ito po ang ating mga care management for each illness. I'll skip na lang. Ayan. Emphasize also na kapag nakita natin sa mga danger signs ng cause, dahil agad sa hospital or para kailan sa ang isang bata. First ay hindi kumakain, hirap uminom, palaging may pagsusuka, laging o hirap umising. Pero mataas, nalagnan, hirap paghinga, merong nana.
Oh, thank you 13 million. Sir Derek Johns. Hello, Miss Cheryl.
Maraming mga
Miss Cheryl. Thank you, Sir Derek.
tubig at
Just tell me where to what's time,
these all
'cause it's breaking my heart. Hi, Sir Derek. Hello po.
Lalo na sa first 6 months, magbigay ng extra food sa kanyang asawa habang nagpapasuso. O kaya naman kung may sakit si nanay, siya muna yung gumawa ng mga kapait-bakay. Looking out to eat. And then share to all your family members yung eating plan. Sakaling kasama sila yung staff, sa dito, ayan. Maaari din naman kumina
Are you saying to me?
sa kanila sa pag-aasate.
No, I'm saying to myself.
Magbigay ng iba't ibang klase ng pagkain sa bata for beyond 6 months. Healthy and active in a month.
How's the weather?
Invite the partner na help.
How's the weather
Be a
po?
member of the PSS. And follow the activity with asking the following questions. And sharing activities. So, monitoring child's growth and development milestones. At kapag kita hapon na discuss na rin, siguro magpapokus na po dito sa practice methods to care the time. Nakapahagapin discussion sa those monitoring and promotion kasi. So, for this session, ang gusto lang po natin talakayin ay
Thank you for watching po. 11 million in the house. 11 million in the house.
Meron, tapos lumikasa.
Thank you, Tiu Chong. Hi, Tiu Chong. Tiu Chong, thumbs up. Thank you po. Thank you for the likes. Hi, Jubats. Jubats. What means, it's still freezing here. I took off work today so I can have a long weekend. What is your work? Sir Derek Jones, what is your work? Hi, Jubats. What? Los Alamos. Los Alamos. Thank you po for the likes. Los Angeles. Oh my God. Thank you, Tiu Chong from Los Angeles, California. USA. Sorry. USA. I'm warehouse supervisor. I'm me. I'm a manager of this room. Manager. I'm a boss here on my room. Hi, Indonesia present there. Hi, Sugi Kabe. Sugi Kabe. What means MMLSU? I always read that, but I don't know what it means. 50 likes. Thank you for the likes. You have a very important job. Yeah. Manager. Sir Don, hello po. What are you doing? I'm doing live. Sitting on this, then I do live. Suddenly raining din now, oh my God, sunny. Suddenly sunny. Sir Don. Thank you, Sir Don. Tell me where the words time, 'cause it's spring. Oh my God. Yeah, oh my God. Oh my God. My God. Beautiful smile. Thank you, Sir Don. Yes, you have to cook, clean, do the laundry, take care of the kids. That's very important. Yes, po. Cook, laundry, clean home, take care of the kids, going to school. My God. Hello, Derek from Sir Don. Thank you, Sir Don. Be proud of yourself. Yes, proud of myself. But it's better to that's why making own money. Yes. Independent, making own money. Hello, John from Sir Derek Johns. Thank you po. Santos Pretty. Santosh. Hi, Santosh. 52 likes. My God. Thank you, guys. Beautiful your stomach. Why? What about my stomach? You see on my... If I had a wife, I'd want her to be like you. Why? Why like me? Why me? Look my ano. I don't know how to ano like that. I don't know how to good shape. No good shape. No lipstick. No blush on. My God. My hair is always messy. Collarbone. Oh my God. Kulay. Brown skin. Oh my kulay. Guapa, good morning. Bornok. Hi, Bornok. You don't need all of that. I think women like that. A lot of women obsessed to being a white skin, a good shape. Oh my God, the lipstick, perfect. Blush on, Mika. Ah, beautiful. Morena is beautiful. Sir Don, thank you, Sir Don. I can give you super. What? Super power. Lucas Paz. I'm Morena, yes. You're Morena. Thank you for the likes. I happy Jerome. Hi, Jerome. Tell me who's expecting Manuel Domingo. Hi, Manuel. My God. Thank you so much. Tapos na?
Wala pa si Jiwa. Meron pa po ba kayong
I heard Moreno have more fun. Sana all.
meron pa po ba mayang kapag wala na po? Iba na po yung
Have more fun.
natin.
Shalom. Good morning. Yeah. Yes po. Thank you, 55 likes. Yeah. Hi Santos, you are so chill. Thank you po.
Sino? Ay,
Chill. Hi Philip Fellows.
hello po. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Ayan, so I think we can open the floor for an open forum so we can address any questions or concerns po. And ma-address po siya ngayon and masagot po ni Miss Q. Ayan. And I think naman po, na somehow, nasasagot na po natin yung ibang mga Q&A. Currently, under the Q&A box, if you have base ng
Open
website,
forum.
so hindi pa po tayo maka-offer ng ratings
Gigigil ako. Nabibib no.
since wala po kasi kami na-offer last year, so for this year, magpapandak po kami ng mga synchronous.
Masayaw na bang?
Starting
Sayaw.
po ng
Taran ting ting tigading. Dagadang. Sayaw na kami ano ikaw may guest talaga. Ding ding alam dan dan dan. Agda si Dadabang kay masayaw. Agda si Dadang. Andam si Andam. Agda si Andam kay masayaw kamo. Andam. Agda daw sabi masayaw kamo. Andam.
Hindi kasi kami sa DRC
Apo.
with regards to this. So, pwede naman po natin na pwede naman natin na i-self-director na lang yung mga orientations na ina-attend na dito. So, kapag
Chill,
na,
chill.
kayo
Thank you, 56 likes. My God. Idol ko si tatay. Don. Thank you, Don. Thank you, 5 people. Thank you for the likes. My God. Lunchtime. Lunchtime.
Thank you, Ms. Kim. So, yes, ang topic of tayo, any notifications or announcements sa aming official Facebook page with the question regarding modules. Yes, we have uploaded modules po sa link po na sinare natin. We can share it again po sa ating webinar chat. Ma-download yung modules.
I'm hungry. What's for the lunch? Fish. Fried fish. Fried fish po.
Another question po here is curious about tips about it, especially the husbands who attend the sessions for this. Yes, we will be having a hard time.
Hello, Old Man Life. 50s. Hi po. Hello. Thank you, sir. Always great to see you. Thank you po. Thank you, All Man Life 50s. Thank you so much. So, thank you for hit the likes. Sir Rockers pala. JS Rocker. Oh, thank you so much.
Just invade that, invade.
And the Turkey, see the camera from Turkey. Thank you for the likes. Thank you sa nag-hit ng likes. Maraming salamat.
Ay, Kuya Gab.
gonna let her go. Okay.
Doon na may similarities sa contact ng mga anak. Yan, yung Alright. I hope nasagot po namin. The next one po, this is from this Rojan. Alam naman natin, kapatawad pa.
Have a great day, lovely day. Keep warming the world with your smile. Thank you, sir. Old Man Life. Thank you so much. Hi, Abigail. 66 years, sir. Good morning. Going to hi, sir. One, be one love. Idol ko si Tatay. Yeah, yeah. We're from Philippines. I'm from Philippines.
Thank you so much po. And then for the other question, yes, may
Oh,
certificate.
Katyar. Hi, Katyar.
As long as you have
Katyar.
yung attendance for the readers, the post testings, the training evaluations na sinend mo. And then let's questions po.
You Filipino, yes, I'm a Filipino. 59 likes, thank you so much. My email is in my description. So if you're gonna come to the party, email me so I know how many people are coming. Mike Mercado. Shout from Bohol. Hi, Ruel Salamanca. Katyar. Hi, Katyar.
And I think there are no more other questions. Meron lumabo kay Sir Paulo. During the pre-marriage counseling, the roles of the husbands were being discussed. Yes po. Nadi-discuss naman talaga yun sa pre-marriage counseling. Gusto niya po nagdagan yung mga team natin in fairness. Kasi po yung po ninyo sa ato si tatay.
Hello, beautiful. Hi, Demetrius.
And maging nutrition, sensitive yung pre-marriage counseling. Yung iba nga po, dinidiscuss na lang sa pre-marriage counseling, biglang POI pa lang, ayan. May tapos yung activity becomes the sensitive
Thank you so
And then
much.
the other question ko po, since very comprehensive na yung orientation, is it possible na ang certificate ay training completion on idol po si nanay and idol po si tatay?
Hi,
This
Rafael.
is only an orientation kasi we can only provide a certificate of participation. So, hindi pa po kasi ito yung formal training. This is just an orientation on how to use the portal. If you notice, hindi naman tayo gano'n nag-dwell sa XDR component. We only highlight some key messages, emphasize na yung mga dapat ma-discuss. So, in a formal training kasi, dinidiscuss na yung mga yun. So, what we can provide after this orientation po ay certificate of participation, provided that you have complied with all the requirements po ng ating secretariat.
Any plans for your birthday? On Sunday,
I think na
going to the beach someday. This is my, for my request for my father. The beach on Sunday. On Monday, my birthday, and so Monday, maybe just home, family again. a co-workmate. I will bring foods from the office, and then my friends, the Zoom, some of my friends, and then for my colleague. Hello friend Albania. Hi po. Drinks, party, a little party. Dahil na po kami Tell me where it's
Pwede ko yung ayan. Pero as a third person, magpapagkakasala mo, may motivation.
Ayan, ayan. Apology. So, ayan po. May another question ko ng mabot. Pwede ka naman gumawa ng sariling handbook para sa mga participants gamit itong idol ko si nanay at tatay as reference.
Yes, of course, pwede. Pwede nyo pong gamitin yung reference material yung idol ko si nanay, idol ko si tatay. Kasi we acknowledge na yung mga SEUs, mga barangay, pero na talagang nag-edit ng extra
Cheryl,
mile,
kahit
mga
pangit ka,
silang
gusto
idol
pa rin kita.
material. So,
Salamat ha. Salamat juga. Oh my God. $200. If you want to send me money for $200, is on my PayPal on the lower, on the screen. Have a link. Have a link on the PayPal. You will send for the $200. Yes. Alijiba. Alija Bubetsky. On my PayPal, the link is on the lower, the lower screen of my phone screen. My godness. Oh my God. Urgh.
Kailan namin close, we can give you one day para masagutan yung ating test. But then for the attendance since dapat ito ay during orientation, so dapat masagutan po ninyo before the session ends. Ayan. As well as the evaluation po ngayon. So we will be flashing naman po ang ating mga links and QR codes in a while. So I think wala na pa other questions related to the items na natin training module. So for this, we can
Love you from Sabah. Thank you from Sabah. I'm give you. Really? You give me? You can send on the lower part. Thank you. Els Ali Jabba Jubel. Sir Don. Santi Gomez. Hi, Santi Gomez. Argentina. Santi Gomez from Argentina. Ay, Marabilha. Bisibilha. Pedro? Demetrius. Hello, Demetrius.
Yesterday's Ways Forward, we encourage integrating the modules into existing LG health and nutrition programs. And finally, on our end, we'll use the feedback or the evaluation report for continuously improving the modules and library. So that would be all for the ways.
Alright, okay, so we can move on to this after for that.
Thank you for the 63 likes.
with the awarding of certificates. So we will actually end our rating session with
Because
some
it's breaking my
certificates
heart.
from resource persons.
Thank you, 4 million. Thank you for the 4 million. 4 million, ano. Oh my god, what is this?
The certificate of appreciation to Ms. Rafael Kristen Marie M. Fernandez, Nutrition Officer 2 of the NIED National Nutrition Council, for generously sharing her time, knowledge, and expertise as resource person during the orientation on the Idol ko si Nanay and Idol ko si Tatay held on 29 to 30 of January via Zoom, given this 30th day of January 2026. So I think we can you open your book? I give first for a while po. And capturing in 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Thank you so much po, Miss Lyra Lee, for that. Then moving forward to our next
Wow.
resource
Tell we can
speaker.
go private. Why? No.
The
No
NNC
private.
presents the Certificate of Appreciation to Gabriel Mabens Ide Guzman, Nutrition Officer 2 of NIED National Nutrition Council, for generously sharing
Ew.
her time, knowledge, and expertise as resource
Hi,
person
Pedro.
during the orientation on the Idol ko si Nanay and Tatay held on January 29 to 30. Given this 30th day of January, so capturing in 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much. And lastly po, we present the certificate of appreciation to Miss Maria Pini Rosa Mosco de Jesus, Nutrition
Thank
Officer
you to
3
those hit
of
the
the
likes.
NIED National Nutrition Council, for generously sharing her time, knowledge, and expertise as our resource person during the orientation on the Idol ko si Nanay and Idol ko si Tatay held on January 29 to 30, given this 30th day of January. Capturing po in 1, 2, 3. And of course, how wonderful po yung ating facilitator. We would like to give her a certificate of appreciation as well. So, National Nutrition Council. This certificate of appreciation is awarded to Queenie
Thank you,
Kaljiwa
million
Pirikua,
people.
Nutrition Officer 2 of NIED, for generously sharing her time, knowledge, and expertise as the facilitator of the orientation on the Idol ko si Nanay and Idol ko si Tatay held on 29 to 30 January 2026 via Zoom, given this 30th day of January 2026. And so, please flash your beautiful smile, Miss Jiwa. Capturing 1, 2, 3, smile. Ayan, alright, and that officially concludes concludes our training session on Idol ko si Nanay and Idol ko si Tatay. For this, maraming salamat po sa inyong active participation for this past 2 days. Bigyan naman po natin ang sarili natin ng isang malaking clap. Ayan, kahit virtual lang for completing this training. We truly appreciate your time, your energy, your commitment to promoting better nutrition and stronger families in your respective communities. Thank you everyone po, and we hope to see the Idol ko si Nanay and Idol ko si Tatay modules come alive in your LGUs very soon. Ayan, so we have flashed the evaluation form as well as the post-test link. We can also send the link po sa ating chat box for those who cannot scan the QR code. Ayan. So, don't forget po, needed po ito na ma-accomplish para makakuha kayo ng Certificate of Participation. Alright, and thank you so much po and happy lunch sa mga mag-lunch pa po dito. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Open. Oh my god, 64 likes. Hindi mo open namin. Oh my god. Hindi mo open. Hindi mo open. Bakit ganun? Oh my god, yan. Oh my god, sana na-open. Posters and orientation. Nanay. First name, middle name, initial, last name. And position. Region. Oh my God. Ang tumito ko sa ilang tanong. True or false? The 100% days of life refers to period from concept to the child's first 2 years of life. 100,000 days of life refer to the period from conception. Oh my God! Sir Roland! Thank you so much for the ano. Good morning! Thank you po! Roland! My God, wait. I need to answer the evaluation because ano. You catch my attention. My God, wait. True or false, the idol Kusina, my nutrition education class consists of 10 modules and continuing institution.
Sharon, mas kami kita di siya.
Ah.
Kasi, nano?
O, kuha ka mo di tigis, ho. Kuha na ka mo doon tigis.
Na.
False, ayun, ulit kasi.
Tapos,
Kuha na ka mo doon, ho. True or false, is giving to babies to the end. True, is the ritual of the idol kasi tatawag siyang alcohol.
okay, my turn.
So, for intervals of at least 3 years between births, have health benefits for both mother. Intervals of at least 3 years between births. For all false idols, station are not felt upon the others. Therefore, nutrition workers have the option to choose stop rejection. Utilization are not felt upon the others. Therefore, nutrition.
Yeah. Magkakadira.
For child should not be immunized if he has for all forms of
Pwede sa ako. Oh. Ibalik mo yung tikpirisa. Dito ho yung
a child maltreatment.
pwede sabihin mo po sa kanya.
Maltreatment and child and abuse are serious problems that can have lasting harmful effects. The idol's learning session complements the following itself. The idol learning sessions complements the following: family development session, counseling session, feeding program, barangay, family development, counseling. What does a child with a flat foot car means? The child falling well, flat. The child is not gaining weight and is in the middle of flats. The child is flat. At age 4 months, the child exhibits the following behavior characteristic sepsis alone 4 months. Suddenly holds, gives to the turns. This is learn. Holds heads, turns head towards. This is slowly. What is the best system used for mouth? Diarrhea among child can be prevented by except preparing well cooked food. Washing hands. Diarrhea among young can be prevented by except preparing well cooked, washing hands before preparing food, protection, drinking water, giving unfresh pregnancy. Crosswalk. Process. 8, oh my god. My god. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rolando. Really sorry. I'm just answering the post test. For the post test. Oh my god. At least I passed the test. At I got a 10. I got a 8 to 15. My god. Thank you so much. Rolando Roles. Thank you pa. God bless. I'm fine. Rick Haring. Thank you pa. Thank you. My God. True or false? Oh my God. That's false. Okay. May gulay. So what na? Oh my God. I need another one answer. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Rolando Roles. God bless po. Where's the link? Evaluation. Evaluation. Hostess.
Tanggal kalabang tiwala pa. Ay, video na ay.
Kenta, no? Kenta doon na lang. Oh my God. An evaluation. Can't the link. Can't open the link. My God. Thank you, 72 likes. Thank you, my God. Thank you so much. Oh, I can't the link. I can't open. My God. How I answer? Can't open the link. My God. What should I do? Ano ba ito na? Okay, ano ba ito na? Ayun. Evaluation. I need to answer the evaluation. My God. Profiling, support, and purpose. Thank you, 12 people. Thank you to those hit the likes. Thank you so much.
Gab, may nag-answer mo. Ano yan?
Yes, done. Thank you so much. Submit. Submitted. Oh. Need to, ano na. Need to lunch. Need to eat lunch. Thank you so much po. 9 people. Thank you so much, 9 people.
Ano yung si Kuya Jerome?
Tada. Nagkaraan na ka mo?
Opo.
Sada niya.
Isda.
Uy, dito daw kami kay Maribukon didi. Si Papa, yung turog ba daw? Maribukon na naman kami.
Dad.
Oh.
Ilang. 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 Ilang.
Sir Don, you're welcome. Mark Flores, taga San Cati, Bicol. Damien, Sir Damien, hi. You are amazing. Thank you, Sir Don. Francisco Puentes from Colombia. Thank you so much. Rolando, your outfit amazing. I have my girlfriend. Oh my God. Really.
Ang sabi na sika, isa na siya nagbukas. Ay, tayo mo kita ang dress.
Oh, ay diri, nakuha lang sila.
Maribukon daw, mga bata nag-aaral mo, guro yan.
Dili man ako butang mo sa wagong nang na. Ikaw magdili mo pa. Butang mo na sa wagong. Para dili man niya kay dara ako na sa ako. Dito doon na butang.
Kumbaga.
May ano ka? Magasolina ako.
Sige lang.
Matulog mo na ako, no?
Na ano pa lang ako, tapos ako nagating ako sa meeting. Dito sa online, sa piano.
Ay, saan?
Mapabungko pa lang ako, mabaka naglaba ako. Nakatupit. Na, ano? Din ka mo nagtanong.
Para mami kami yung bila. Andito ko na sa likod eh.
Oo.
Andito sa may karaima.
Karan?
Karaima. Katuwar siya nita.
Oo. Pero ka mo nagtanong. Taon na? Tracy? Tracy ka mo nagtanong? Ay, kagayon. Daga, mga ba? Atag na kami natapos.
Tapos sa Meles. Quarter to 11.
Ay, parehas dito sa, sa ako.
Ito lang na nangyari ito na gabi.
Ayos pag-irog sa mga.
Hanggang ihapon. Basta yung drawing. Walo, pero yung utudan mo na nito ni na, ano, na Martes. Para madali. Kaya sabi ko nga, kita mga sabihan mga tapos kaya utudan ka na. May meeting ako pagkaaga.
Hi, Mike! Good afternoon. Lee Louise, hello beautiful friend. Hi, Keisha. Late lunch. Antonio.
Makatan ako.
Ano oras na ba?
10:49.
Buka ka doon. Ulit sa tinaasan ka tos kanina.
Dira.
Din.
So, ano?
Wala man din. Wala man ako doon na yan.
Oo, si Kurt. Oh, ano ito ng 50.
Meron ko doon pan. Bariya ka sa dili ko. Kaya din may isang gatos pa.
Ay, stay ka?
Hoy, balik man uli.
Yung mga ingkudan, diri kayo mag-iringkod sa ingkudan.
Nga. Oo nga.
Sabi ko nga, kuha mo kunta. Kaya kung mabuka.
Paano? Nag-cellphone, nag-uuruyag, nakapokus, baga naglalakaw, nag-cellphone.
Liko nga eh. Ato gay ko kuha mo.
Nalanganan ko mabuka. Saan nabuka?
Sana buka yan.
Taon.
Ay, may sakit pa pa. Ano nga yun? Nag-20.
20, maraming daw dito. Kaya mo doon kami sa kafe. Tapos,
Ang darami is naka-answer niya. Ako nag-tawag ko na yung
habal-habal na.
I can give you super chat. Wear crop top. Send super chat, please. $100. If not $100, I will not wear crop. My God, expensive. 21 people. Hi.
pwede kung dito, kasi mabit na abot ng baha. Oo. Di abot dito sa iyong ani. Kung si Aday na eh.
Gano'n pa na ba di at iwag na dito?
Oo nga, ang sabi sa tanitsuan.
Dito, dali pa na sa pambadi kulang dito na po na sa pambadi na sila. Kaya, dito, sabi ko sa kulang.
Chat ko nga ni Silvia sa pasa ko yung chat mo. Wala kang pag-aligay
Wala
na
mo,
ito.
baray-bay na dito. Baray-bay ang buwan. Paano, magana na dito.
Ay, 190 to the bomb.
Gusto na makauli.
15 people.
Tapos Nagmamase, ito wala na sa pasakan. Parang mga dati pa rin dala sa trabaho kasi yan. Ibang paisip. Ito ka natin dito parang kain.
Ha? $23. Thank you so much. Hey, 27 people. Oh my God. Thank you.
Aram kuman, kahapon si Kuya na halaman.
Napabungto ka?
Diri, nag-ano lang sa sako kay mga iba.
Mapabungto ako, mabakal ako, tapos diretso na ako sa iyo. Tapos diretso ako pakalian.
Pag hindi kita mag-abutan,
Mapabungto.
mapabungto man ako, inakuha ko lang po yun.
Sige.
Diri ko madaran-daran ko pa yung mga sa ako. Ay, napakatawa ko sa way ko. Pero maging muna ako sa Burabo. Ay, may magdun ako sa kontado.
Ano mga ka nakaligas kami masisi? Naikod ka?
Saan, oh?
Sa Domingo?
Diin.
Emilias.
Nano, o ganit kami?
Dari man, naghapon man lang.
Makaligos ka man, maski para di ay ano man nasarap
So,
na
basta sa Kuya Lando.
Oo, sige. Ipod ko na lang sa'yo na may lakaw yung panong kami ni Sarah at pinauli ko.
ay reserve niya.
Na-stress ako.
May pinauli mo kay hindi tumakan ha.
Nagpagay ko ni Tatay.
Sabi ko nga ni magkanto ka.
Alam, babanggit ka ni Tatay. Sana yung Cheryl. Sabi sa ako kagabi. Cheryl, ano? Nakaluto ka na sa Nakaluto
Ano,
ka na.
excited na nga siya, nangatulog. Kay, ano baga, nakakargo sila siya. Pag ano, pero ano ma, ano,
Nakatinuan ako sa nag-agraan niya baga siya din nakakatakot eh. Tuk lang pa. Sabi niya, nauuyan siya. Ay! Rata, ano pa yun? Sa bintana. Sabi, may tao nga yan. Pag muna akong mga minatay didi ang tao. Pwede na magsirimbag. Ang rampang may na.
tapos yung uno do. Nagulo siya, inalas sa minigil. Pag uno kuno akong mangisog ba pag anong basic. Sabi niya, kay naimudang ko, nagkakapot na siya kan turingan kan Kurt.
Ano mga talaga?
Isa Kurt man, papatindog ko, ayaw ko yan, ano ka mo, magdukog ka mo na, ay, mandit ko man si Papay, di mo tuwang kayo magtindog. Say, kumano ka, sabi mga CR. Sabi ko yan, ang CR mo mo.
Ang gagawin liwat niya ikaw. Pres!
Tapos,
Sabi ko na lupay.
Bata ka.
Kaya parang nakilala na niya kung sino nag-aalaga.
Sa hospital pala talagaan.
Siyempre nagsugnak ka na. Makaong ka na diri na una. Gaya ugang.
tapos kanina say ko na udo ka papay, sabi oo ngayon, sabi may tubig ngayon doon, say ko tissue na lang ani po, ko daghan man tissue mo. Sabi ko alisan ka na mo ni Gila ha. Sabi niya, oo. Ha?
Nakabuhat.
Nakaingko, ano.
Sabi niya, testing ko na nakaduod pa. Pag diri na, naka-import mo talaga yun. Ano naman siya?
Minsan, limot na siya.
Nalilimot na siya. Sabi, mauli na ako. Hay, ng bagsak.
Ako 5 din wala. Alas 3 yan. Nagpamasukaan ko. Tapos pagpatano mo ba? Pagpatano mo? Paghali mo ba sa ito?
Ba nagkagarato ulit man?
Pagkagad isa to, alas 7, nakabuhi at nagkudan pa rin. Dito nang gakanto sa may likudan. Sinakot, paayo kami danong kay Jib. Si Jib, hindi mo, maayo ang danong. Kaya hindi na siya sa luyo. Kanto ako kay Jib, kay Ruben, kay Aye. Sabi nito sa paayo.
Sa likodan, sa may igot, sa pakanto dito.
Magingalo sa tusip papa. Diba? Mau kasi ito na magingalo. Imuroklat na niya.
Joke ka na nga. Kaya pag ano sa ito, dito, ako na maimig ko si Papa. Kaya malain naman sa papa natin. Chat ako ka ni Siri. Ay, Sarah, chat ako kay Gani, puro man ako
Murukmat baga sa to ni Bimbola na ni Dada.
Tapos paghali naman sa duwa, mao naman yun niya. Bagati ha. Paghali sa duwa, bagaan may sugon siya, tapos bagaan nalinat na siya, bagaan ulianan na.
Ulianan na siya. Ulianan na siya. Tapos, ang ngirit-ngirit, ano niya to? Ngirit-ngirit ang baga sa niya. Magkusis ang tanong saan. Kaya ngirit ang para mo na ano. Alam mo na
Sino?
Mama, yung gusto.
Ah!
Ngirit para mo na may mamatian. Nauya baga, kaya nga nga turugon. Ha? Ha?
nagagawid ako sa inyo.
Sabi ako nga kahapon, si Tantoy ng Seratori ni Kuya, sabi ko, sabihan mo si mama mo na mag-upod ka mo, sabi ma, din may pita, di man aram, sabi ko, ano makararig, gusto
Yan,
niya pa rin.
nasabi ko na ni Sarah, ano ko yung Sarah, naman lang niya si Papa. Tapos dili man-aram na umauwi. Doon na. Tapos sabi ko, makaon na kami yung Sarah.
Ba't kayo nulit? Sabi lang kanina lang?
Stress ako kay Sarah, malain yung pamapin ni Sarah. Siguro pa nasabi ko daga sa inyo. Para ka kwarta ko rin, pagkarang ko ito. Muli ka mo nabili kaya ako, ang masikaso sa iyo.
Eh, iba ko naman si Rapa. Tapos,
Ang implant niya, gusto ko bahali.
Limot mo na.
Ha?
badi ko nararaot siya sa
Yun nga,
na.
kaya nga ni, na-stress man kami na doon nito ni. Tapos ma-chat, wala kang pamawang, padarahan ko naman sintuhan ba, tapos sabi niya, umuli ka din yung basi makadaga ka bugas. Sabi ko, mag-uli ka na sa bibis. Kaya din kita mo si Rima.
Maya, kaya nag-uuli ang duwa makakaribo
Imod
si
kasi papay.
paparahanap. Sa mga kamay nila, baga si Papay Biyo. Ay, Biyo. Tapos si Papay RP. Paparahanap. Sa pagkagabi. Nag-i-elis ka, baga dito sa kanila.
Tapos ito si Ike. Mag-eskwila. Dili ko dali kong eskwila. Ay, malingan mo. Ano pa?
Oh my God.
Si Ike. Pero ngayon niya ito sa una. Oo. Wala si Rina.
Ano yan?
Ano ay katila? Minsan mau ito ang para sa dili para si kaso sa aman
Si kasuhan niya to.
pag wala si bugas minsan mapambulong na ako.
Si kasuhan niya to.
Isarag day pa kami
Oo. Yan is, eto na nagkalisan, is,
Oo na.
is ito ate,
Paraimod
may
na.
sa Kuya Richard.
Yung paraimod naman ni Bonso si Malainon. Kaya paraimod si Papa yung pala.
Hindi man pa doon hindi ko siya matila. Hindi ko maaram kay manay sila si Ike iba yung dili.
Joel Raimondo, hi.
Tapos ang kahapon ba iyan to ate ha? Kahapon no sa sarong agabit na yun, para lang ka naman nila ate Sheila kung takbang first.
Abo magano.
Sabihan kami, nito na kayo sa atin, pagrala pa dun ta ka mo. Sabi ko, kaya papalitan nga na mo. Pero san kami lang natulo si Ate Risa, si Gila, ako, okay man siya mag-ano. Yan si Ate Sheila. Ako niya, uya mo, sabi lang, pangrala pa
Ay,
dun ta ka mo.
gaya,
Tapos ang pagkaaga naman, ang mga alas na yun to ha. Ang aga, inirog naman ko nasun mo si Ate Sheila ni Papa, kaya sabi ni Gila, ano ko ngayon to tita, inirog niya so ni Papa, impapahalik niya si tita. Tapos sabi, ito na po na siya magpapalit. Pero saan kami, kaya pinuha ko kami ni Mamay, isa ko gabi alas 2, tapos pinuha ko ni Mamay si Gila. Di kami kunta na doon mapalit. Si Ate Sheila, nabati ngayon, katok ako ni Mamay. Kasi, wait, ako na naman. Si Ate Sheila, ako naman magpapalit.
Kahapon, habot magpahigda. Nakailugan na ito, nakatinawahon ako na. Kaya hubo lang ito na. Malayo ba
Pag
ganun?
ano, sabi na ito pag ano na. Imudong ko daw ang kamot mo. Kaya sa ali man ako nakain.
Ano ka, good? Babanggit ka naman. Babanggit ba ka
Kaya sabi ko, kinaputan ang kamot niya, kaputan ako hugutunong, pero yung pabayaan ko lang siya nakaputan ako. Sabi ko, kilala mo ako, sabi ko na mo, pero ang boses mo sinta.
Kilala.
Tapos sabi ko, hindi mo na ako na mo. Sabi niya,
I'm fine, guys. And then 90. I'm fine po. How about you po?
inimod ko na ito, kaya lang akin natutunggan ulo ko. Kasi ko di ako nadaan ito para kaya makulog ang ulo na.
Who talking to you, my sister? I'm talking to my sister.
May gani kayo nag-udo, napalitan na namo ni Gila sin Pampers. Ano yung pinamutang nila kanina. Kanina, sabi ko, ikukulbahan ako. Sabi ko, iniisip ko no, kay kung pangisog na mga pag inalusa. So, sabi ko, inadok nga niya ako. Kung sabi ko, kung ano naman nga ni. Sabi ko, papay, sabi ko,
I'm fine, thank
agsam
you.
ka na,
That's
Pijila ha. Kaya sabi ko, maudok ka. Sabi niya, oo. Tapos mala, ay pag alas sabi, wala lang. Sabi, girog lang siya sinho.
Kagabi, dinalsa ko kay... Ato na niya, alanganin na siya. Sabi, kay kastigo mo ako.
Sabi sa iyo.
Kastigo mo ako. Man, insuwag kumalay ka.
Ay, kaya karong na.
Galat to, si Sun, mag-aga.
Ay, ginubuti mo yan. Kaya da ka sanay. Ano nga sanay.
Ay, piraw man.
Turugan siya.
Sabi niya kanina, makulungan mo yan, ulo ko. Kay si papay mo yan, sabi ng dad.
Natural yun. Kaya asawa niya.
Dapat talaga magsakripisyo.
Kaya asawa niya.
Pag ano din, pag susunod ko na yun, nangiirog ako. Nagdadabog ako na. Para magmata.
Sino si mama?
Kaya nagpo-abo ni Papay na parang may isip siya. Nabuo ni Papay, nag-iiyak siya, tapos siya daman lang. Hindi siya, ungulong-ulong baga. Aram niya, mas kinawawara na sa sarili siya.
Ulon.
Okay, naka-istorya lubot. Arin niya to sabi, mahal, uli na ako, din ka mauli. Naturto naman sa mga lugar. Sa Lambon, mama ko man dito. Ako din, kinawakay, nahadok nga niya. Sabi, turutiniwa na siya. Sabi, ipod ko ang asawa ko yun. Kaya yun ang asawa mo yun. Bungkara siya. Mamaya si kaso siya santo umaga siya. Kaya ipod talaga siya. Bungkara siya. Tuob si mo.
Sabi ko pala sa kanya, magtuog siya. Hindi, baski
Ano, burugad yun?
Pag-aalasay, skipper mo siya man na yung
Sabi.
Sabi ko, makasugod yun si Pao. Pag skipper mo yung mamay ko, para
Sabi.
tusugod si mga papa.
Sabi,
Mas
tuob.
kidiri Martes ng Biyernes.
Basta pag-alasay sa hapon. Ay,
Sabi,
kumamay, pagtuog.
Papay.
Nang
Sabi ko,
sobrang
sino mong
taas
Papay
yun
ang
sa
asawa mo?
Paluwas.
Kaya iniisip ko nga ni, bagan inisip ko, ibayad to, diri man si Papay. Inisip ko, kasi sino ba yan asawa mo? Yada baga ho, upod ko yung pag-uli sa Lambon. Ako, nangingirabo ako sa insabi niya. Kaya
Tapos
di,
kagabi, ay kahapon, yung baga nasabi na papalitan baga kung ito na yung palitan tabaga, ito ka po sa sulod, nasabi na, sabi ko ka na ate, alam ko, papay palitan ka na mo pampers, sabi niya, dili na kayo, may mapalit niya may mapalit dun sa kanya, si Madi Mauring.
minatay na yan.
Oh, mauring, sabi niya kahapon, iyan na kayo, may mapalit niya yung sako, si Madi, ano nga yan, Madi Mauring.
Para istorya mo yung asawa mo, nag-istoryahan na kami sa bata mo. Paulit-ulit yun niya. Nakaputan ng tulang kamot. So, pabayaan ko lang siya kaputan tulang. Kaya hanggang naman ang kusog na.
Sabi niya, nanahadok ako, sabi, tutudo naman sa ng baralagaw-bagaw sa araga, din ba ikaw makaradto? Sabi niya,
Sabi yan, nagkakairin.
din ba ikaw makaradto?
Tutulog si mama. Sabi ko, pag tutulog siya, pag alas 6, kaya naiinit si papay ng mga tawag. Mana magsundo yun sa kanya na
Ano mga
Ay,
ito?
dapat, sabi ko mama, pag alas 6, magtunaw pasin-asin sa taro, tapya mo paluwas.
Diin na ano, didi.
Hindi yung paikon mo. Tapos dito naman mo, pairugson mo.
Are you talking Bicol? I'm talking Bicol, not Bisaya.
Tapos magtuog.
We're Bicolanos,
Dili
Bicolana.
nakatuog kami na may ito at
Ang oras na ito. Sabihan ko siya, sabi ko, pag ano na, magtuog ka.
Siyempre dapat siya sa magiwa. Kusog lang siya. Kala ko masip ayun siya pa sa kanya. Hindi mo't pa siya isip tanuman.
ito mga kapo. Sabi namin siya.
Sabi ni mamay. Ay kung mamay, nagbaha baga kaya nag-aaraman dyan. Sabi diri ka, kadang ko yan to kay ano dapat masanlag ito sa iraro. Oo, good. Diri mo na kay nag-ano pa may trabaho pa. Ayaw mo na niya. Sabi, diri,
See you
diri,
later,
dapat-
bye. Bye po, Gaya
Oo, akala ko
69.
dito. Kasi butay. Ano kaya. May trabaho pa man. Pag wala ng trabaho mo, nag-aakalan. Importante mo na ma-spray mo na ito. Kaya para dito ng daramdaan.
Oo. Mabakala ko niya, ano, pag-spray.
Pag wala ako dito, ibilin mo na lang.
Dito na lang.
O, kahit naman si Saira.
Ay, ito si Saira.
Hindi ko nga hindi. Kaya maasikaso ka ni Santo na hindi niya. Kay basi mahali niya na
Kaya diha.
implant niya. Sabi ni ko naman
Nakabibig ka?
ka.
Ay, nagpaano siya? May side
Ika,
effect.
makadok ka
Hindi
na.
kaya. Ayun nga ni Mao yun.
Kay pag kumari yun,
Delikado yun, daghan sa na delikado sa na.
As in, diri, na-stress ako. Di ako makatulong. Kay siguro siya malayo ng pamali. Tapos, diri,
ito,
pag siya.
epekto na dito sa ito na ano.
Porsigido siya, binutangan. Sa tao sa tugangan niya, pabutangan. Kaya bagan diri ko kaya tanggap kung baga na pinasa.
Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye-bye po. Need to go to work.
Sabi, porket minong de edad ka. Tapos,